Okay, so some of you guys are experiencing problems when you download Siri. Like your phone won't turn on when you when you turn it off and turn it on just to reboot it. It won't work. This is what shows up. Little circle. Mine's doing that too, but I know how to fix it. So what you do is you open up Red Snow. So I'm opening it up right now, and then go to just go to Red Snow, downloads, Red Snow. Okay, run. And then when you open it, it'll say extras. Well, you must be running 5.1 if you got Siri on it. Okay, so press extras, and at the very top it'll say just boot. Press that, and then turn it. It won't let you press the next button. So you wanna hold the power button and the home button, and then click next, but do it real fast. Then just follow the DFU mode instructions. You guys already know it. I hate doing this. Why can't they just... Okay, so it's identifying, exploiting with lime rain, uploading first stage, uploading second stage, and then waiting for a reboot. And then once it reboots, it will start working. The pineapple takes to the home screen, starts working again. So don't worry if it stops working. I don't know how you did it, but if you jailbroke a tethered, if you went to jailbreakme.com, then it most likely won't work. Okay, so the pineapple's showing up. Yeah. And then it'll take you back to your home screen. Prove to you guys it works. Just gonna wait. Okay, exit out. Go ahead and exit. Okay, so yeah, just let it wait. Okay, hurry up. Okay guys, I don't know why it's taking so long. Usually it doesn't take this long. Should be done. Oh crap. Oh, there we go. Enter passcode. I'm gonna enter it. Okay. There you go. It works now. Wouldn't let me turn it on last time. And now it's turned on. Now that's how it's done. So thank you for watching, and